What's up, everybody? This is Ruben at Big City Detail, coming to you today with a '03 Ford F-150 Fleetside Cherry Red. As you can see here, it came in with a lot of scratches. We're going to show you how we remove majority of them with a two-step polish process and seal it all in with a ceramic coating. Here we're doing the polishing process. We already finished the first step of the compound, removing majority of the scratches. Now we're going over the paint to add a lot of shine and clarity and bring that red right back out. Now we're going to seal in all our hard work using the ceramic coating product. This is HYDROSLICK from Chemical Guys. It is a very good product. It's going to add a lot of shine and clarity and also give you that hydrophobic water beading effect that we all look for when it comes to ceramic coating. Here we're showing you the water beading effect after the ceramic has bonded to the vehicle. You see the water just glides right off the paint. Now the same thing's happening with the elements outside. With the rain, the dust, the grime, it's going to be harder to stick to the vehicle, having your vehicle look better in between washes. So if you're looking to get similar results on your car or your vehicle and you're looking for either a two-step paint process or a ceramic coating, feel free to visit our website, book online, see how we can fit in your schedule.